good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're joining for the very first time, my name is Andrine, and in this kitchen we do vegan. All right, so I'm just gonna do a quick green juice this morning. I came up on some ingredients and I said, let me just use them up. All right, so we're just going to use tuna. I think they call it cactus plant as well. And I'm going to use a chocho or Christophine, a piece of ginger, uh, just a little scoop of spirulina powder, some pineapple, froze them, and just a cup of water. So I will put the ingredients in the description box below. So I'm just going to dice these and then I'm going to put them in the blender. All right, so it's all diced, so I'm just gonna add them to the blender. And this is definitely cost effective. You don't have to worry about if you don't have this and you don't have that. Cost effective yet healthy. You know, Christophine is very good. It hydrates, good for diabetes, cancer, you name it, constipation, just the same. So many things here that are healthy and you don't have to search far for them. In even your very backyard, you'll find them healthy. And pineapple as well. I'm going to use pineapple this morning for my sweetness. If you have other sweeteners like honey or agave, of course you can use those, but I choose to use the pineapple this morning. And if you have a juicer, you can use the extractor as well. I just feel like blending this morning. So I'll blend and then strain. So in my blender, I'm just gonna pour out all these. I'm just gonna combine everything all at once. The spirulina powder, and it's very good, like it's a booster, the spirulina powder. And you know, greens, if you're struggling with low blood count and stuff, you can use the greens. The spirulina powder, powerful, cancer fighting, power food. All right, so we're just going to blend this right now. All right, so everything is in the blender now, and I'm just going to blend it until it's smooth, like very smooth, so it can be strained. You don't have to strain it if you don't want to, but I just choose to strain it, so we're just going to blend. Let's see. All right, so this is the consistency, and I am going to strain in this container. All right, so after straining this healthy juice, you can still see it has body. But as I said, you can go ahead if you have a juice extractor and extract it. You don't have to blend it. All right, so I'm just gonna pour this here. Nice glass of green juice. Oops, a little too much, but I'm gonna drink it. All right, there you go. Thanks for watching, and you can go ahead and read up on the ingredients as well and see how important and efficient and healthy they are. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Stay safe.